Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Gurus. In this video I'll be unboxing the Realme X7 Max device, which is a Flipkart unit box which I got right now, as you can see. So I'm really excited to unbox this phone, and I'm really excited to compare with other smartphones like the iQ7 and the Mi11X device. As you can clearly see, friends, I'll do in-depth comparison between both of the smartphones, even with the OnePlus 9R as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos just in case if you are curious to know. And one more thing, a quick note, try to follow the playlist which I have created for each and every smartphone. As you can see, friends, within 17 days I did upload 183 videos, and same thing I'll be doing for the Realme X7 Max as well. I'll try to put into the extreme conditions and I'll try to test with the other phones comparisons as well. So we'll try to see how the Realme X7 Max gonna handle in this kind of extreme conditions. And for the next few days I'll be putting a lot of videos, uploading a lot of videos on this Realme X7 Max particularly. So stay tuned for those videos, and also make sure to hit that subscribe, and also do support me, friends, because that will be really helpful for me as well. So here's the box. So there is a Realme X7 Max inside. It's hiding here. So finally, friends, we got the Realme X7 Max device. The box looks kind of a little bit taller than usual. When you compare it, looks like close to OnePlus devices kind of tall box. And I had to compare with the iQ7's box. As you can see, friends, clearly the Realme X7 box looks quite taller than usual. And it's a complete phone, and which is, I think I did order the 8GB RAM variant, and these are the specifications which are listed on the box, as you can clearly see. Let me need to quickly unbox this complete package and take out this wrap around the phone. So let's see, friends, what will be the contents inside the box. So that is what I'm really interested to see and excited to see. And here's the complete plastic which has been removed, and let me try to quickly open the box. I think yes, it can be opened or not. Let me try to see. Yes, it's coming slowly and slowly, as you can see. And finally, I think it is a beast which we got, as you can see, friends. So it's a phone. So that is a phone which I'm really excited. That's the first impressions which I'll be getting whenever I hold the phone, whether it's a really less weight phone or like normal like other smartphones. I think it's a really cool phone which is kind of really small size, and I can actually feel the difference while holding this phone. I'll try to come back with the phone later. And there is a charger inside, which is a support dot, which has been written, as you can clearly see, friends, support dot. And we got the cable. And apart from that, let's see what other things we got inside this package. And we got the SIM card pin, removal pin as well. And inside this, I think there should be some kind of case and some papers. And let's see the quality of the case. I think quality of the case is not too bad. It's kind of really normal quality itself. I did not expect, but I'd say nowadays the companies, they are using this kind of same quality case. There's nothing much special about the case. So now let me try to unwrap this monster. Let's see whether this monster is gonna kill another monster, which is iQ7, or not. That is a really interesting test for me to do on this Realme X7 Max device particularly. Wow, it feels really good holding the phone, which this is a order. This is a black color which I did order. So I can definitely say, friends, the back side, it looks really matte, and this is my first matte phone which I ordered. Seriously, it looks really good, and you will get really good grip as well. I'll try to talk about the build quality in the next videos. So finally, friends, is a small unboxing demo as well. So SIM card pin and the charger and the adapter and the case you do get. And let's see whether there is any screen guard or not on the top of this phone. I think yes, there is a small screen guard which is already pre-installed with the phone. So for the first few days, no need to worry about buying a new screen guard. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to comment below what videos you want me to compare with the iQ7 and the Mi11X device particularly. So definitely I'm looking into the comments for you all feedback, and meanwhile I'll try to test and use this phone for this 1 day and 2 days extremely, and with the intense kind of usage. So let's see whether this phone is kind of really monster or kind of okay. So this is what I'm trying to check in the next few days. So make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is the complete Flipkart retail unit unboxing of the Realme X7 Max device. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.